Welcome to Quick Math Visuals. Today, we're diving into how to solve a quadratic equation with just one simple formula. Let's take the equation x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. We want to find the values of x that satisfy this equation. Step 1. We'll use the quadratic formula, which works for any equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. From our equation, we identify a equals 1, b equals negative 5, and c equals like to learn 6. Step 2. The quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Let's substitute these into the formula. X equals negative 5 plus or minus square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 6. Divided by 2 times 1, that becomes x equals 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 24. Divided by 2x equals, open parenthesis, 5 plus or minus, square root of 1, close parenthesis, divided by 2. Step 3. Now simplify further. X equals 5 plus 1. Divided by 2 equals 3. X equals 5 minus 1. Divided by 2 equals 2. And there you have it. The solutions are x equals 2 and x equals 3. Thanks to the quadratic formula, solving is a breeze. Hit like and follow us for more fun math visuals.